To say you are not puppy, I should feed it. Ready to say? Belcho, ready, Mamusa? I don't have bones now because I couldn't make it to the capital, and this is what they're after the most. They like meaty or non-meaty bones, but I should have a dry food now. Tusko is eating Belcho. Mom is like Belcho. He's such a cute. He has a cancer. Haydi va. Eva Tusko. Eva. Haydi Mom. Eva. Inagra madan. Haydi Mom. Haydi baby. Haydi Mom. Haydi baby. Junk. Haydi Mechi. Silly puppy who didn't let me catch him to live normal. Then the ticks are gone from him, but I can touch him and to spot him on, which is not valid for the others. Tusko, I did pop him on. He could be afraid. Usually he's the one who fights Tusko, but it could be other way around. Ето, Tusko. Ето, му, стой. Ето, айде, папка. Тусенка. Обич му, ети. He has a big cut on his nose. Must have been a fight. Tusi, какво му се случи? He has a cut on the nose. Tusi, какво му си направил, бебе? Look at this pup. He's 1 year and 1 month and a half old now. And this cute tiger bear. His trouble is that he doesn't want to go in, and he's not keen on a lead. He's terrified when late. I so would love to rehome him. Oh, no, Mama Mishka. I will put some ointment later. Papa, Mama.